Welcome to Monetag, the platform that helps you monetize all types of traffic, from websites and blogs to social media and paid campaigns. Choose from a variety of ad formats, interstitials, push notifications, pop-unders, smart links, and more to match your audience perfectly. Built for publishers worldwide, Monetag gives you the tools to maximize revenue. Watch till the end to see why it's the smartest way to turn traffic into real earnings. What makes Monetag's CPM stand out? It's simple. Thousands of advertisers across e-commerce, finance, apps, and gaming, combined with smart multi-tag technology that serves the highest paying ad for every visitor. Whether your traffic comes from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, blogs, or paid campaigns, Monetag helps you maximize revenue. For example, Instagram and Facebook traffic generated $12,000 in 1 month, while blogs and websites earned thousands more using Monetag's interstitials, push notifications, and smart links. All advertising on Monetag goes through strict moderation and quality checks to ensure a safe and trustworthy experience for both publishers and users. No scams, no misleading offers, and no phishing are allowed. In addition, Monetag strictly prohibits adult content, shock content, or any materials that could harm users or violate regulations. This commitment ensures that every ad displayed on your website, blog, or social media channel is high quality, reliable, and brand safe, so you can monetize your traffic confidently without compromising user trust or safety. Monetag makes getting paid fast, easy, and flexible. Publishers can enjoy weekly payouts with a very low minimum withdrawal of just $5. So even smaller sites and creators can start earning without long delays. On top of that, Monetag supports a wide range of payment methods, including bank transfers, e-wallets, PayPal, cryptocurrencies, and more, giving you the freedom to choose the option that works best for you. This combination of low minimums, frequent payouts, and multiple payment options ensures that you can access your earnings quickly and securely, no matter where you are in the world. Monetag offers 6 powerful ad formats designed to maximize your revenue. Pop-under, the highest earning format, vignette banner, push notifications, interstitials, and smart links. Each format is optimized to deliver the best performance for different types of traffic, whether it's social media, blogs, or paid campaigns. With this variety, you can monetize every visitor effectively and choose the formats that fit your audience and content style. In addition to high CPM rates and a variety of ad formats, Monetag offers even more benefits for publishers looking to maximize their earnings. With the referral program, you can earn a 5% commission for every client you refer, creating an additional revenue stream simply by sharing Monetag with others. This means you can generate passive income on top of your regular ad earnings, simply by sharing Monetag with other publishers, website owners, social media influencers, networkers, bloggers, and YouTubers. Over time, these commissions can add up significantly, turning your network and connections into a long-term revenue stream. Whether you have a large following, a network of websites, or an active content platform, Monetag's referral program lets you monetize your influence and connections while helping others grow their ad revenue. On top of that, Monetag provides 24/7 dedicated support, ensuring that whether you're troubleshooting ad setups, optimizing performance, or exploring new formats, you always have a reliable team ready to assist. This combination of referral income and continuous support makes Monetag not only a monetization platform, but also a trusted partner for publishers worldwide, helping you earn more while staying confident in your operations. Visit the Monetag platform today and discover how publishers, bloggers, social media influencers, and content creators can grow their business and increase their income by effectively monetizing every traffic source. From websites and blogs to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, and even paid campaigns, Monetag provides the tools, ad formats, and optimization strategies you need to turn your audience into a reliable revenue stream. Click the link in the description of this video to join Monetag and start earning today. It's quick, easy, and gives you access to all the ad formats, optimization tools, and payout options we've talked about. If you have any questions or need help getting started, drop a comment in the section below. I'll be happy to guide you and make sure you're set up for success. Don't wait. Start maximizing your traffic and growing your income with Monetag right now.